Welcome to the Divine Appetit. It's Sunday. We're making some stuffed manicotti. Oh! Let's work on our stuffing. We got ricotta cheese, some freshly grated parm, spinach and parsley, some salt, white pepper, and to that we're going to crack one egg and mix it thoroughly. Let's get this all mixed up and we'll set it aside. We're going to brown up some hamburger to put in our sauce. That's optional. Now let's get some of the grease out of here with a paper towel. And we're going to dump in our Victoria organic pasta sauce and heat it through. Now we're going to drop our pasta in the salted boiling water and cook it for about 4 minutes. When it's done, we'll drain it and rinse it. We're going to cover the bottom of our pan with some sauce so nothing sticks. Then we're going to start filling our manicotti. I put the filling in a gigantic plastic bag and cut the corner so we could use it as a piping bag. Now we're going to stuff our manicotti like this with the piping bag. Layer them in our dish. You could also stuff them with a spoon and stand them up. Now we're going to cover these with the rest of our sauce. Top it with more cheese, whatever cheese you want. You could put mozzarella on top, provolone, more Parmesan, and bake it in a preheated 400-degree oven. Check it about 25-30 minutes. See if it's bubbling, and brown the cheese on top to your desired liking.